Can you go to the next slide? So the first thing that you need to take care of before joining to a builder is to type the right address. Next, this is the right address. You need to type in your search bar of the builder, gap.ebuilder.net, and this will lead you to the Port Authority site just to log in with your credentials. Next slide. Again, your credentials, it must be input here. It should be the email that you provide to your Port Authority tenant coordinator. And the password is the one that you set the first time that you set up your password. If you haven't never set up your password, you might reach out your tenant coordinator for a password reset so you can have the initial setup process. So as per other platforms on the builder or processes, you have the same landing page. You have at the top your tabs with the processes. You have in the middle what was outstanding in your court. You have in the last item that you reach out, and then you have in the opposite side any announcements similar to the step-by-step guide that we provide for the design. Can you go next one? So once you click on the next tab, you type your project. You pick your project here, like a 1, 2, 3, 4. This will come up and will lead you to the processes tab. Next one. After you enter your TAA number, you're gonna reach for this corner on the top, which says Startup Processes. This will pop up a menu where you can select what type of process you wanna go through. In this case, we wanna be selecting TCAP inspection or TRR. Once you select, this will be the form that you need to complete. Yes, you need to complete follow the Port Authority guidelines in terms of confidential and confidential privilege information as per Port Authority guidelines. You have to complete where the scope of the inspection, where it's going to be held. Also, you need to select the area that you're inspecting, as well as the location of the facility. Then you need to select what type of inspection you are requesting. In this case, you can select the partial inspection for occupancy, for non-occupancy, final inspections, and walkthroughs. After you select the inspection type, you need to attach documents. Right in the area, those documents, as Ryan has been talking, is the PH41 certification package, the special inspection and test reports. Here you only have one slot. You can either combine it into a zip file, or you can use the document tab in the top to attach any additional documentation. Please always remember to attach the set of record documents the set of record documents. Yes, you can go to the next one. For each field that you see here, the process to upload is the same. You just need to pick the file that you're going to upload from your computer and click upload. It's a very easy 1, 2, 3 step. And next slide. You sure that everything is good when you click Save Draft and the green ribbon in the top is being populated. You click on the next slide. Yeah, then the green bubble is populated, so there's no error. When you think you're ready, you can just click Submit, and this process will go to the next step. Next slide. So what's next? When you click Submit, the resident engineer office will review the documentation. They will request a field inspection to our review groups, in this case, QD and other groups. There will be audit results. We're going to be transmitted to the applicant in the process who started the process. If the inspection passed, happily, we're going to have the permit in hand. But if it fails, you may need to do some address and punch list, and you have to resubmit with the proper documentation. How do you resubmit? Next slide. Your process for resubmission is that when the process is being placed in your core, you will have an email in your inbox, which will look like this. You can double check that it has the subject starting with actions required. Then at the end, you're going to have what type of document you're receiving. You can quickly access by clicking here in the screen as you see. Next slide. It might require you to log in again if you have not logged in during the day. What you need to do is first, next action. Go to, yeah. You need to replace the documents that were originally submitted, like the 401 and any applicable document that might require to address the punch list. Also, you need to log your responses into the metrics. Exactly. So the next thing that you're going to click is save to save your changes in the metrics, and then you just click resubmit. Took the action to resubmit. It's pretty popular, so you usually need to take action. Next slide. So normally when you click the submit action, you will resubmit. Next, Dario will review again, and the cycle can repeat a couple times depending on how well you do in the inspections. Helpful hints for you. Always request training if you don't know how to manipulate the builder as early as possible in your project. Let's say that you are in the construction start, but you want to prepare for the inspection. You can reach to your tenant, to resident engineer or tenant coordinator to schedule some training for you. We happily will schedule something to go over with the process with you. We're also publishing these tutorials in YouTube, so you can access prior to the process, so you can get in touch. By following this step, you should be able to submit a process without any issues. There is always, and you can email to us if you have any issues with the system and provide feedback with any recommendations. You can capture theirs by emailing us to tcap@pnynj.gov. We also will leave this in the presentation, links to access to eBuilder and to helpful hints on the roadmap in our internal website. Thank you for